Hello, this is Jo from Math Tutor Me. Today we have another lesson on percentages and we're doing a section called applications of percentages. This basically means that we're not going to be learning any new skills today. If you've watched my other videos on percentages so far, we've learned how to find percentages of amounts and increasing and decreasing, finding percentage compositions. So we're going to be using those skills that we've already learned, and we're going to be looking at some word questions and trying to apply those skills to these more practical situations. So let's have a look at question number 1. At a football game, 72% of the people are male. If there is 36,800 people at the game, how many are male? We want to find the number of males at this game. That there is 72% of this amount is male. So we are finding a percentage of an amount here. To do that, we take 72, percentage means out of 100, and we want to find 72% of the 36,800 people at the game. So we grab our calculator, we put the fraction, 72 out of 100 times by 36,800 equals 26,496 people are male. At that particular football game. Alright, let's see what question 2 has for us. A math book can be purchased for $18.30 with a 10% discount or $24.80 with a 33% discount. Which of these is cheaper and by how much? So we have two options here. We need to find out which one is better. And each of these books have a discount, so we are wanting to find out what these books are worth after their discount, which means we're actually doing a decreasing question. So let's take the 10% discount first. Okay, so a math book can be purchased for $18.30 with a 10% discount. So let's find out what that discount is. 10% of $18.30. Okay, on the calculator, 10 over 100 times by $18.30, you may not have even needed a calculator for this one, is a $1.83 discount. So how much would you actually pay for this book? We need to subtract. We take $18.30, the original price of the book, and we subtract off our discount. So for this book, you would actually pay, let's work it out, 18.3 minus 1.83 equals, you would pay $16.47. Okay, but we still have to think about the other book. We could have paid $24.80 with a 33% discount. So let's have a look at that. Let's find the 33% discount, 33 over 100, times by $24.80. Type that in our calculator. 33 over 100 times by $24.80 means we get a discount of $8. Because we're doing money, we'll do 2 decimal places, 8.18. Now we need to find out what our book is, the new book price is. So $24.80 was our starting price, but we need to subtract off our discount. So let's calculate 24.8 minus 8.18 equals 16.62. So This was the price of our first book. This is the price of our second book. They are actually very, very, very close in price. But the first book is just a tiny bit cheaper. Okay, so the question asks us which of these is cheaper and by how much. So to find how much cheaper, we would need to subtract them to see how much we're actually saving. So 16.62 was the highest one, the higher amount, minus 16.47. So 16.62 minus 16.47 equals 0.15 of a dollar, which is actually 15 cents. So we could write a little conclusion. The 10% discount is 15 cents cheaper. Okay, over the page here. Question 3. A discount of $120 was given on a bike with a marked price of $386. First of all, we want to find the price paid. So if the price tag of the bike was $386, but we have a $120 discount, we just need to subtract them to find out how much is actually paid. 386 minus 120 equals, type it in if you need to, 386 minus 120 equals $266. Okay, part B, we want to find the discount as a percentage of the marked price. Okay, the discount was $120 as a percentage of the marked price. It says here the marked price was $386. So we want to find 120 as a percentage of $386. So to find the percentage, you multiply by 100. Type it in the calculator. 120 over 386 times by 100 is a 31.1% discount. Okay, it's time for you to have a practice with some applications of percentages. So here are 2 questions for you. Pause the video, have a try, and then we'll go through the answers together. Question 1. The Wallace family decide to donate 7% of their earnings in April to charity. How much will they donate if together the parents earn $8,600 and the 3 children earn $1,720? Well, they've tried to confuse you a little bit in this question by giving you 2 separate amounts. But all you need to do is add those 2 amounts together to begin with, so you know the total amount that the Wallace family has earned. So the total amount, we'll go total, is equal to the parents earned $8,600 and the children earned $1,720. So 8,600 plus 1,720 equals, altogether the whole family has earned $10,320. Okay, so now that we have the total, we can work out how much they donate to charity. They're going to donate 7% of their earnings. So we want to find 7% of this total here. 7% is 7 over 100 times by $10,320. And we calculate 7 over 100 times by 10,320. As a decimal, they are going to donate 722.4 or 40 for 40 cents to charity. Hopefully you got that. Let's have a look at question 2. A cake mix contains 210 grams of flour, 105 grams of sugar, and 85 grams of chocolate chips. Find the percentage of chocolate chips. So this is like the first question. We need to find out the total of how much is in this cake mix to begin with. So the total. Okay, let's add them up. We have 210 for flour, we have 105 grams of sugar, and we have 85 grams of chocolate chips. So 210 plus 105 plus 85, which is a total of 400 grams. This is a 400 gram packet of cake mix. So now we want to find a percentage. Find the percentage of chocolate chips. To find a percentage, how many chocolate chips do we have? We had 85 grams of chocolate chips. And we want that as a percentage of our packet. Now our packet contained a total of 400 grams. So 85 out of 400 grams is chocolate chips. If we want to make that a percentage, we need to times it by 100. On the calculator, 85 over 400 times by 100 equals 21.25% chocolate chips.